If you don't like and sub in 3 seconds, I will attack you.
Oh, he's not happy.
Long before time had a name, the first Spinjitzu master created ninja.
Do you know how confetti sounds in an anechoic chamber?
Element of surprise!
Hey. Come back. Hey! Somebody stop him! He's getting away!
Don't think that carrot big because carrot big leaf because small leaf carrot big not leaf big size. Sometime, on way to successful, first of steps of all of the steps to being successful steps are hardest of all of the steps to successing. Steps. Just because every one person going in one directional way does not meaning you are going to the directional direction to which every person which is going in. Go in your own independent in which way you are going in. Sometime in life everything pencil and everything smoothly with pencil is going smoothly. But then, unexpected happening it is happening unexpectedly in life. The important thing to do is to make solution to problem, so problem is solution problem solution problem. Chair. The more you know or knowing what you are knowing and more your brain size and your head size big, the less you need to say to talk an argument with other people's with smaller brain head shouting.
Send this video to a friend, and if they don't send you a video back of them literally unhinging their lower jaw and ingesting half a dozen boiled eggs in 3.1 nanoseconds, they owe you a robust front-loading lithium-ion electric GSE 15/5 forklift with a 240 kg counterbalance and a compact 3-fold telescopic mast with a max speed of 14 km per hour, 16,000 watt engine, lithium-ion battery, max lifting height of 4.8 meters, 4 pneumatic rubber wheels, solid hub charger, and a fork length of 1.2 meters.
Oh, you've got to put some swaz on it, Gromit. Stop being...
The kind of deals that make you boogie.
To say I'm crazy, but y'all see that? The government will still tell you dinosaurs don't exist. How do you explain a Catosaurus Rex, bro? Y'all really gotta wake up to this matrix. I can't even get into all that. I think the feds got my other cat cooperating.
Kaboom! Yes, we go. Kaboom!
On the way to the vet right now, but whoever bonked my dog upside the head with a cartoon hammer, I will find you, and I'll make sure tries you.